When I was a kid, I started singing in church. Then I started doing karaoke as a teenager. As I got older, I started singing and performing for people. Loved it, was addicted, and I just knew I had to do it. My first job in Nashville, I worked as a bartender. It took me about a year to go to book an agent, but I've been touring ever since. The first gig that our booking agent sent us on was in Rock Springs, Wyoming. It was a 37-hour drive. And that first night that we played, when I got done, I realized this is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
Girl, you just tried five things on, look so fine and everything.
My influences are 80s rock, huge 80s rock fan, big country fan. The band I got with me now is the best lineup I've had in my entire career. They are my true brothers of the road, the chemistry on stage, the way we work together, it just doesn't get any better than this.
I've been a honky-tonk man, riding that road just as hard as I can. And this is just another
I'm getting ready to go on. The adrenaline, the energy that you feel, the sound of the crowd, it just eats you up inside, man. You just ready to go out there and just give them all you got. Matter of fact, after I'm done with this interview, I'm on the bus. We're out of here for 7 weeks. We'll see you on the road.
Drive me crazy, drive me wild, into the night with the beams on high. Hand on the wheel, honey, it feels like heaven's here in this field. Won't deny what I feel inside when you drop the clutch and spin the tires. Hey now baby, this is more than just a ride in your four-wheel drive. In your four